What you want to do? Huh, baby? What do you want to do? Just to go outside. It's too dark, baby.
Say, Jacob the trolley. Look better.
Chloe, do you want cupcakes?
Oh, cupcakes.
Huh? Chloe? We're looking at you. See, look. Now we're looking at Tristan.
Oh, Tristan. No one to see.
Now we're looking at Abe.
No, Gabe.
Tristan, what did we have for dinner?
Pizza.
Why didn't you want to eat it all?
I want cupcakes.
Why didn't you want to?
Time for cupcakes.
Shh. Loud.
When did you see me?
I'm trying to ask you questions.
When did you see me?
You can't see you until after I'm done. Now, answer my question. Why didn't you want to eat your pizza? Why didn't you want to eat your pizza?
Yeah.
Why?
I eat my pizza all gone.
You did. Why did you eat your pizza all gone?
Oh!
You don't know? Oh, there was no memory card in it. That's what the problem was. Tristan, you can't see you and record you. I mean, while it's recording. So you see Chloe? See Chloe?
Like I'm
Chloe?
Dad!
Hey, Chloe.
Hey, look!
Isaac, stop yelling everything you say.
Stop!
Isaac, I mean Chloe. Chloe, wanna go night-night?
No.
I love asking her that.